Well, hey guys, we're going to do some more out with the old and in with the new. Come check out what I'm talking about. Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is we're going to change out some more lights. Out in my garage, we have the old school fluorescent 1 foot by 4 foot deals. And we are now getting into obviously late fall, early winter, and we're getting into the 20-degree nights now, and fluorescents just don't do good in that kind of temperature. They barely turn on. It takes them a while to warm up, and with today's technology with LEDs, you don't have to deal with that. So tired of the old fluorescents, it's time for them to go. They were great in their day, but let's get busy. Let's change out some lights. So the first thing I want to say before you start a project like this is if you do not feel comfortable doing this, then definitely consult and hire an electrician. But if you are willing to take a project like this on, first thing is be sure that all your power is removed from the light source so you don't have a shock hazard. And then just step by step go through. The first thing we're going to do is pull the cover, remove the fluorescent lights, get them out of the way. And then the next thing we'll do after that is remove the centerpiece, the center cover, so we can get access to the lockdown screws and the wiring. We'll disconnect all that, and then we will drop the whole piece out of the ceiling. So let's get busy. Okay, before I installed the new fixture, I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison and show you guys these while they're setting close up. One of the biggest differences is the weight, and I'll show you why. So this is the new fixture, and let me pull this off out of the way. Okay, and the center section of this squeezes and releases the same as the old. It's just much smaller. And just look at the differences what's inside. This one electronic box is so much nicer and smaller. And this is your main power input. These are your LEDs that light up. What makes this so big and heavy is these old ballast units. These things, I mean, like I said, this thing is heavy. This is like half the weight, if not less than half the weight. So anyway, the reason I chose this one is it is physically the same size. It has the same base mount, and the way my house was built and the way we did the ceiling finish with the stucco finish, I wanted to make sure this covered where this used to be. I didn't want this to be like 4 inches smaller so you could see. So anyway, I went and did the measurements, found this one, and this was the one we're going to put in. So anyway, let's get it put in. Okay guys, this is the part I wanted to show you. And pardon the camera flicking, but this is where they plug in, and you see how they accommodate for 2 wires. So 2 holes, 2 black, 2 for white, and they not only feed this, but it jumpers so the power can go back out. So let me get this put in. So make sure you match up the colors. Okay, so you can see black on black are together. White on white or jumper together, all matches up. And then the last thing I'm gonna do, hook the ground. Ground obviously goes to green. And there you have it. Fast and easy. That was pretty cool. Let's go turn them on now. And, haha, yes, I love it. So guys, there you have it. Pretty fast, easy project. The hardest part was getting the older ones down. They were a lot heavier, but not bad. Anyway, that whole project was less than an hour. Very fast and easy. The cool part is it's now all LED. So now they will turn on and light up even when it's in the 0 to teens at night, and won't have an issue with that. They'll burn a lot less electricity and hopefully will last thousands and thousands of hours. So a nice little upgrade for my home, and now I don't have to mess with those daggone fluorescents anymore. So anyway, glad to get that done, a nice little upgrade. Well guys, I hope you saw this project is informative, and maybe it'll inspire you to do a nice upgrade at your home sometime. Definitely going from the older style lights to the newer is a cool thing, and again, it saves you money in the long run. Also, I'm going to include a link on a project I just did recently, which I replaced the older style fluorescent bulbs in my under cabinet lighting, and I'll throw that up here in the link up on the top corner for you guys, and maybe you might be interested in checking that one out too. So for now guys, that's the end of a day, end of another project rather, and just remember, at Project Next there's always one more, so we'll be back with you guys again real soon. For now, you guys have a great week, and we'll be talking to you again real soon. Take care, see you later.